Okay, today we're talking about how to change windshield wipers. So the first thing you want to do is measure your windshield wipers, or you want to search your vehicle make, model, and year online so you get the correct size. Usually the passenger side and the driver's side are different lengths. So we'll start here on the driver's side. The driver's side is the longer of the two wiper blades. This type, there's a little clip that you got to squeeze, and then the old wiper blade simply pulls out of the arm. You can see the little clip there. You squeeze that little clip and the tab releases from the arm. So it's important that that tab goes back in the slot on the arm when you install the new wiper blades. Now, Bosch is a good brand of wiper blades. You can buy wiper blades at any auto parts store, Walmart, Amazon, eBay, etc. Install the new one. Simply pull it up into the arm, make sure it clicks into place, and you're good to go. Now we'll go around and do the passenger side. The passenger wiper wiper blade is a shorter one, but same rules apply. You squeeze a little tab, pull it down and out of the wiper arm. And then to install it, make sure you slide it up into the wiper arm until it clicks in place. Slightly different, but the same basic idea. It's got a little tab that has to click in place. And that's important because obviously you don't want your wiper arm to come off when you go to use it. And be careful you don't let the arm slam down and hit your windshield and break the glass. That's where I prefer to always gently put the arm down when I'm doing this, so you don't accidentally bump it and have it hit your glass. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.